Foxy people. Hi, hi, hi. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hi. I just never know when Facebook actually starts the live. It says live, but the count doesn't start. It's a whole thing. Anyway, hello. Happy Friday. I can't believe we're already well into August. We are past mid-August. And how did that happen? So today we're going to be talking about some summer sensation bundles to share some of my favorite summer fabrics with y'all in bundles at a great discount. Plus, we've got some cool giveaway, and I'm just excited to be here with y'all. So say hi. Tell me what y'all are working on. What's on your sewing table this week? What's your end of summer plan here? I know that kids are going back to school here. Kids went back to school August 1st, which was crazy early compared to most years. Which blew my mind. There's an elementary school at the entrance to our neighborhood, and we drove by and we were like, "Are the is that is that orientation happening? Like, is the summer signups? What is going on?" And then lo and behold, it's a whole back to school thing. So it's crazy talk. I know people are trying to get in their last summer vacations and weekends away and all of that. I'm going to check my phone to see if comments are working here because, comments are not working here. So let me mute my phone and pull up the video so I can see live comments. This is going to be a little bit worse about replying to comments today because of this. But hi! Hi, Sarah and Verna. Hi, everyone. Hi. I'm so excited to be here with y'all because I have some beautiful summer sensation bundles to share with you. So as always, every comment will enter you to win some fabric from us. And this week, because we're doing bundles, what I'm going to do is we'll pick someone from this video to win a padded flat rate envelope of mystery fabrics. And we'll just send that your way after you win. And it'll be a wonderful surprise what you've got. So I'm so excited. Do y'all want to see my bundles? We put together 5 beautiful bundles. I want to sew something out of all of these bundles. They're at a really great discount. They're all about 20% off. And they're all 3-yard bundles, so they're nice and small and easy to use. And beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I realize now that I don't have my setup here. I don't have my little doc of what I'm talking about because I don't know what these names of these fabrics are. I can't keep them all straight. I just say, oh, the pretty lace one. I don't know. So we have our bundle number 1 is this beautiful lace bundle with a beautiful coordinate. I think my light is just a little bright. I think I'm drowning out my pinks a little bit. There we go. There we go. That's a little better. That's a little better. So this bundle is a 2-yard cut of this beautiful rose tie-dye stretch lace. I will find an end here somewhere. There we go. It's absolutely beautiful and it's so soft. I just love, 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 love this print. It's a beautiful print. It's a beautiful lace. It's a classic kind of rose lace motif is what I was going for, a rose motif lace. The colors are just absolutely beautiful and it's so soft. So this is a poly spandex blend. It's 120 GSM, 20% horizontal and 20% vertical stretch. And then we paired it with one of our favorite coordinates for it. So again, this is a 2-yard cut of this. And then we paired that with the pastel pink double brush poly, which I just dropped on the floor. Let me try that again. The pastel pink double brush poly. So this pastel pink is 96.4 poly spandex. It is 180 GSM. It doesn't want to open for me. There we go. It has 100% horizontal stretch and 30% vertical stretch. Let me try that again. 30% vertical stretch. And it's just so beautiful. They look so good together. It'll be so fun to make a really lovely outfit, maybe a little shell tank or shell top out of the pink, and then an over top out of the lace. I am fully feeling like an oversized off-the-shoulder dolman out of lace with a cute tank or tee underneath. So cute. So cute. So actually, before I set this down, why don't I put this fabric underneath so y'all aren't distracted by my dress fabric. There we go. There we go. I'm wearing the pink. Then let's put the lace on top. Ah, look how beautiful those purples really pop with the lace underneath. Just beautiful. I also really love to do these cowl type tops out of lace or sheer fabrics, and then pair them with a tank as well. I find them really comfortable and cute and easy to wear. So this is bundle number one, Summer Sensation bundle number one, with the lace and the pastel pink. What do we have next? Next, okay, so I had so much fun hanging out in the shop and picking out my favorite summer fabrics. So this one, they're all my favorite. This one might be my favorite though. So this one, Summer Sensation bundle number two, let me find an end before I try to pull this up here, is a 2-yard cut of the tie-dye splatter, which is one of my favorite summer fabrics. It's so bright and happy and beautiful, and it makes me think of the foam on ocean that's just so happy and beautiful as the waves crash. Love it. Love it. So this is 96.4 poly spandex. It's 180 GSM. It also has 100% horizontal stretch and 10% vertical stretch. So it's nice and versatile. And then we paired that. Let me get that on my shoulders. Again, that's a 2-yard cut. We paired that with the nice classic white double brush poly. Nice and neutral, nice and white, so beautiful together. So this is 96.4 as well, 190 GSM. And then it has, let me open it. Maybe 75% horizontal stretch and 25% vertical. So this is great pairing. You could do like a cute little raglan tee or a dress out of that. I just love it. And it's so soft. They're both so soft and they make me so happy. I have no idea what I want to make out of this, but I do want to make something, very much so. Absolutely love it. So this is Summer Sensation Bundle 2. I've lost my creativity, so we're just numbering the bundles. I spent it all on naming things like tie-dye splatter, which I have none left. Okay, so bundle 3. Oh, bundle 3. This is another set of 2 double brush poly fabrics. So we've got, why don't I show it together first? We've got this beautiful bundle with Paradise and Blush and Almond. So let me, oh, Stephanie, that sounds amazing. Yes. I love a good oversized top. So let me open this one up. This is 2 yards again of Paradise and Blush. This is 95.5 poly spandex. Oh, and it's so beautiful. It's so happy. It makes me want to stroll down the beach at sunset, carrying my shoes and just listening to the sound of the ocean. This is 180 GSM, 75% horizontal stretch and 20% vertical stretch. So beautiful. I love the colors in these. They're so soft. And then the reds and pinks are so vibrant on those flowers. So it's so gorgeous. And then we paired that. Let me throw this one over my shoulder with one of its coordinates, the nice almond. Almond is one of my favorite coordinates. It's such a great neutral without being white. I'm not great at wearing white. I am a messy human and I tend to spill or do other things, whatever. And then it's not white anymore. So blush is one of my favorites. Blush. Almond is one of my favorites. This is 96.4 poly spandex, 190 GSM. It's got 100% horizontal stretch and 50% vertical stretch. And they just look so good together. It's just like a nice, subtle, beautiful almond to go with that Paradise and Blush. So this is bundle number 3. This is Summer Sensation Bundle 3. I'm so excited about it. So beautiful. And I love this fabric. I need to make something out of this fabric. So I'm super excited. So those are all of my double brush poly bundles. And the lace bundle, which is so beautiful. But then I wanted to give you guys a little bit something a little more, a little fancier. So I have this beautiful bundle with our Geo Modal in it. So this Modal is one of my favorites. This is Summer Sensation Bundle 4. This one comes with 2 yards of this beautiful Modal. I love the Geo shapes in here. I love the vibrant colors. It's Modal's one of my favorites. So I love it so much. So this is 2 yards of this Geo Modal. It's 96.4 Modal spandex, 180 GSM, 50% horizontal stretch, and 40% vertical stretch, which is just so beautiful. I love it so much. It's fun and pretty, and the colors are so fun. I love it. And we paired that with Navy Midnight. This is one of my favorite double brush polys because it's such a great neutral and it's so soft. It's so soft. So Navy Midnight double brush poly, 1 yard of this in this bundle. It's 96.4 poly spandex, 190 GSM. It's got 100% horizontal stretch, and that recovery is bomb. It's amazing. And then it's got 50% vertical stretch. So nice and stretchy, beautiful bundle. I absolutely love it. Modal is quite breathable. It's a natural fiber. So it's much more breathable in the summertime than some of our double brush polys or anything that has polyester in it. This is going to be more breathable. I love Modal, well, all year round, but I love Modal in the summertime because it feels more crisp and clean, even when I'm a little bit less crisp than usual. So I really quite love Modal. I have one more summer sensation bundle for you, and this one is a swim bundle. I know we're rounding out the summer, but I love sewing swim all year. I love having the opportunity, if I'm visiting friends in Florida, to have a new swim whenever I go. And I love swim for other things. I love it for athletic wear. I love it for dresses and tops to stay cool when I'm hot. So I wanted to put together a swim bundle to round out the summer for that last minute trip, or if you want to make some great athletic. It's great to pair for like cute tops and leggings and getting that workout on as your kids are getting back to school, or as you're getting back to school. I know my classes start on Monday, so I need some more workout wear. But I wanted one athletic swim bundle for y'all. And so I put together this great little bundle. So this is Summer Sensation Bundle 5. And it starts off with 1 yard of these palm stripes swim knit, which is one of my favorites. This is a nylon spandex blend. It's 200 GSM. It's got 80% horizontal stretch and 100% vertical stretch. Super, super, super stretchy. Absolutely love it. It's beautiful colors. It's so fun. It definitely makes me want to get outside and do something. So if I'm going to make something athletic out of it, that's a win. And then I hit the paper behind me. I paired this with a yard of the athletic power mesh. And I picked white to go with this. So you can either do some accents. If you want to make a cute like tank that has a little pocket, you could do a mesh pocket instead of a regular one, or leggings, same thing. Or if you want to put this behind, it's white so it won't show up behind the white in this swim either. So it's really versatile. I went for white with this, but this is a nylon spandex blend as well. It's 85 GSM. It's got 75% horizontal stretch and 100% vertical stretch. And it's perfect for adding support where you want to add support, or adding accents where you want to add accents. They look quite beautiful together. I absolutely love this athletic power mesh. It is wonderful. And then, whew, there we go. Yes, Amy, the white is sheer. It's mesh. So it's meant to be either adding support in between your layers, or you can put it on leggings as pockets or accent stripes and things like that. This is not meant to be just a top on its own or just bottoms on its own, unless you're staying home. That's your choice. But then I added 1 yard of the navy swim knit to this as well, which I can't open. So you can really make a whole outfit or a whole swimsuit or tops and bottoms, or mix and match to your heart's content, whatever you would like. With these 3 coordinates, they look so good together. So this is an 80-20 nylon spandex blend as well. It's also 200 GSM. It's exactly the same weight as the palm spring knits. spring knits, palm stripes, swim knits. That's what I was trying to say. It also has 100% horizontal and 100% vertical stretch. So all three of these together can make the cutest workout outfit or really cute swim coordinates with 2 yards of swim fabric and a yard of power mesh. I can get a good 2 swimsuits out of that. Separates. I like separates. Or a whole one-piece swimsuit and use one for lining and one for outer. Mix and match. Make it reversible. Great athletic wear options. I absolutely love these three together. So I hope you do as well. So that is Summer Sensation bundle number 5 with swim and athletic fabrics in there. So those are my 5 bundles, but I'm not done yet because what happened is when we moved, I found some fabric that I was not aware we had, still left over from our LAK sale a year ago. So what we're going to do is, well, first let me tell you what I found. I found some Dino fabric. This Dino cotton spandex was a huge win for Love Adore Knits when they carried it, and it was a huge win when we had it on sale last year. So I found 10 1-yard cuts of this. What we're gonna do is to the first 10 orders starting right now that are over $75, I'm sending you a yard of this for free. I absolutely love this fabric. I have some in my stash and I just can't make myself cut into it because it's so cute. I just love the little dinos. I'm going to come a little closer so you can see. It's a really high quality cotton spandex. I just love it. So first 10 orders over $75 get 1 yard of this thrown into their order for free. I'm super excited to see what y'all make from it because I absolutely love it. And I'm so excited I found some in the shop after the move. It's amazing what happens when you move. I mean, yes, swim can be used for athletic wear. I quite like swim for athletic wear because it's made to get wet. That nylon does really well with moisture. So when I sweat, and I am not one of those women that shimmers, I sweat. I don't feel and bogged down and just with it. So I quite like swim fabrics for athletic. I'm so excited for dinos, and I'm so excited to just send some free stuff for y'all because that always makes me happy. So don't forget, every comment on this week's video will enter you to win a padded flat rate envelope of mystery fabrics. And I have a winner for last week's video. So Elaine Chamberlain, maybe I'm saying correctly, you have won last week's reveal video fabric, reveal booty. So please email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com and we'll go ahead and get that fabric sent out to you. I'm going to have to scroll through these comments and read them after I'm not live because I'm only catching every few comments. So please keep commenting on the video. I'm super excited to see how y'all feel about these Summer Sensation bundles. We'll get them live on the site here right now. And I'll go ahead and post in the group when they're ready. But any shopping starting right now over $75 will get you that 1 free yard of fabric. We've got 10 of them to give away. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. And have a really great weekend. I'll see y'all next week.